Hi, welcome back to the Prescott Instruments demo room. I'm Emma, and today I'll be showing you our Mooney Viscometer SMART. It's got all the accuracy of a full-size Mooney, but at a fraction of the size. So why is the Mooney SMART so crucial for your laboratory? Well, it can save you a lot of time and money by making sure that your rubber meets your criteria before compound mixing. You can prevent costly mistakes by testing the viscosity and the processability of your natural rubber or newly mixed compounds to make sure you have quality and consistency across all batches. All of this with a small footprint and from an industry name you can trust, Prescott Instruments. The Mooney SMART is compatible with internationally recognised standards such as ISO 289 and ASTM D1646. You can test for the viscosity, scorch and stress relaxation. This is especially useful for research and development, quality control and ensuring consistency across your production. All of this will give you reliable results every time. Let's see it in action. Firstly, we open the Prescott Instruments software suite, Labline. Labline is really easy to use, and in the testing program Acquire, you can select the type of test you want to run. Today, I'm selecting the industry standard ML1+4 viscosity test. Now we take out the rotor. The rotor is always preheated, so you will need to wear gloves. Next, we put our sample over the end of the rotor stem and push it down to the bottom. Be sure to remove any residue left behind. For this example, I'm using a synthetic rubber. Insert the rotor back into the die, ensuring the rotor is pushed fully down. Otherwise, you risk damaging the internal shaft when the crosshead lowers. Place a second sample on top and you are ready to begin. Now, let's start the test. After preheating for 1 minute, the rotor begins rotating at 2 RPM. The torque is measured and displayed as a live viscosity curve, as seen here on screen. Acquire automatically calculates the testing parameters, and our smart diagnostics ensure temperature stability and test integrity throughout. So there you have our Mooney Viscometer SMART, or the accuracy of a full-size Mooney Viscometer, but at a fraction of the size. So whether you're working in tyre manufacturing, academia, or simply have an upcoming raw material inspection, this instrument is ideal for ensuring reliable results for testing the processability of your rubber compounds. Thank you for joining me here today. If you have enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more updates from the demo room. You can also sign up to our monthly newsletter to stay in the loop with what we're getting up to here at Prescott Instruments. Thank you for joining me here today, and I'll see you in the next video.